Hello everyone, and welcome to the Greenworld Renewable Energy YouTube channel. If you're thinking about installing solar for your home, one of the most common questions people ask is, how many solar panels do I actually need for my house? Is it 5 panels, 10 panels, or maybe 20 or more? The truth is, the answer depends on a few important factors like your electricity usage, roof space, and solar panel efficiency. In this video, I'm going to explain how to calculate the number of solar panels your home needs step by step in a simple way. So if you're planning to switch to solar, this video will help you understand exactly what to expect. Why solar panel calculation matters. Before installing a solar system, it's important to design the system correctly. If you install too few panels, your system won't produce enough energy. If you install too many panels, you might spend more money than necessary. A properly designed solar system should ideally produce enough electricity to match your household energy consumption. That's why solar designers always start with one key thing: your electricity usage. Once we know how much electricity your home uses, we can estimate the solar system size and the number of panels required. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Check your monthly electricity usage. The first step is to look at your electricity bill. Most electricity bills show your monthly consumption in kilowatt hours or kWh. For example, an average home in the United States might use around 800 to 1000 kilowatt hours per month. Let's assume a home uses 900 kilowatt hours per month. To calculate yearly energy usage, 900 kilowatt hours multiplied by 12 months is equal to 10,800 kilowatt hours per year. This number is important because your solar system should ideally generate about the same amount of electricity annually. Once we know the annual consumption, we can estimate the solar system size. Step 2. Estimate solar system size. Now the next step is to calculate the solar system size in kilowatts. In most regions of the United States, 1 kilowatt of solar panels produces about 1200 to 1500 kilowatt hours of electricity per year, depending on sunlight conditions. To simplify this calculation, many solar designers use this rule. 1 kilowatt solar system produces roughly 1400 kilowatt hours per year. Now let's use our example. Annual consumption is equal to 10,800 kilowatt hours. So we divide that by 1400. 10,800 divided by 1400 is equal to 7.7 kilowatt. That means the home needs approximately a 7.5 to 8 kilowatt solar system to cover its electricity needs. Step 3. Calculate number of solar panels. Now that we know the system size, we can calculate the number of solar panels required. Today, most residential solar panels have a capacity of around 400 watts per panel. So let's calculate. If the system size needed is 8 kilowatt, that equals 8000 watts. Now divide by panel size. 8000 divided by 400 is equal to 20 panels. So in this example, a house using around 900 kilowatt hours per month would need about 20 solar panels. Of course, this number can vary depending on the panel wattage and location. Step 4. Roof space requirements. Another important factor is roof space. Each solar panel usually occupies around 17 to 21 square feet. If your system requires 20 panels, you'll need roughly 20 multiplied by 20 square feet is equal to 400 square feet of roof space. However, solar designers also consider roof orientation, roof tilt, shading from trees or buildings. A south-facing roof typically produces the best solar output in the northern hemisphere. Step 5. Location and sunlight. Your location also plays a major role in determining how many solar panels you need. Homes located in sunny states like California, Arizona, or Texas can generate more electricity from the same number of panels. Meanwhile, homes in areas with less sunlight may require slightly larger systems. That's why professional solar designers use software tools to calculate solar production based on location and shading conditions. These tools help ensure the system generates enough energy throughout the year. Key takeaways. So let's quickly summarize what we learned today. To calculate how many solar panels a house needs, we look at monthly electricity usage, Annual energy consumption, solar system size required, solar panel wattage, roof space and sunlight conditions. For many homes, the typical residential solar system ranges between 15 and 25 solar panels, depending on energy usage. But the exact number always depends on your specific energy needs and location. I hope this video helped you understand how to estimate the number of solar panels needed for your home. If you're interested in learning more about solar energy, solar design, and solar installation, make sure to subscribe to the Greenworld Renewable Energy channel. We regularly share educational videos to help homeowners and professionals better understand solar technology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.